Good morning, one and all. In previous class, we discussed about discount and some formulas. Based upon those formulas, today we are going to solve some easy and simple problems. The first problem is written on the board. What is the first question is given here? The market price of a shirt is rupees this one, and the shopkeeper allows a discount of this one. First, the market price is given in the question. How much? This much rupees 940, and shopkeeper allows a discount, means he gave a discount of how much? Discount of 15%. Market price is given, discount is given, and what he told to find out here? Find the discount and the selling price of the shirt. Here you have to find out the discount and the selling price of the shirt. You have to find out. Okay. Let's solve the question. What's the first what is given in the question? Market price. Market price of a shirt is how much? Rupees 940. Okay. Next, rate of discount is how much? It is given in the question. Rate of discount is equals to how much? It is given 15%. Okay, then discount formula, rate, market price is given, MP is given, and discount is given. What is the discount formula? Discount formula, we have to find discount. First here told to find the discount or not. Then what is the discount formula? We discussed in the previous class. What is the discount formula? Discount is equals to discount by market price into 100. Okay, discount by market price into 100. Discount, how much it is given here? 15%. 15% by market price, how much it is given here? 940 into 100. Do the cancellation. After doing the cancellation, how much answer I will get? Rupees 141 rupees. Discount how much? Rupees 141. Now finally we've already find out the discount here. Finally what you have to find out? We have to find the selling price of the shirt. Selling price of the shirt means selling price of the shirt means when you must get an idea. Selling price means selling price formula. What is the selling price formula in discount? SP is equals to market price minus discount. Market price, how much it is given here? Market price, how much it is given here? Rupees 940. Rupees 940 minus discount, how much you got here? Answer 141. By doing the subtraction of these both, what the answer will get? After subtracting, rupees 799 rupees. This is the selling price. Finally, he told to find out the discount and selling price. Discount we already found out. Discount by putting the formula. Discount we find out, and the selling price he told to find out. We also found the selling price. Whenever the question is given, what is given in the question first you observe, and then after what are the formulas are to be applied to solve the problem, you must get the idea. Okay, solve the next problem. Okay, what is the next question is given here? The price of a refrigerator was slashed. Slashed means what? Slashed means fell down. Fell down means what? Means this one is the means see, one chocolate's cost is 9 rupees. After some days it is reduced in winter season, or after some days it is reduced to 8 rupees. Means what? Slashed means reduced. from the actual original price, from original price to the selling price, it is reduced some amount. Means slashed means reduced. Slashed means reduced. You may get confused. Slashed means what? Means reduced some money. Means the price of refrigerator was reduced from the actual price is this one. How much he reduced? This much rupees he reduced. In which season? In winter season. Due to winter season, the price of the refrigerator was reduced from this much rupees to this much rupees. And what he told to find out? We have to find the rate of discount. The actual market price is how much? This one. Market price means MP 9600 market price, and selling price is how much? Rupees 8448 rupees. What is given in the question? You have to observe. Means in the question market price is given, selling price is given, and finally he told to find the rate of discount. Okay, solve the question. Market price of refrigerator. How much it is given in the question? Rupees 9600. And selling price of refrigerator. This cost how much? Rupees 8448 rupees. Okay. Market price we wrote out. Selling price you have to find. We already wrote out. What he told to find out? Rate of discount we have to find out. Rate of discount is equals to what? Discount is equals to what? Discount is equals to market price minus selling price. Means he told to find the rate of discount. Before finding the rate of discount, we have to find the actual discount. Now how much money is reduced? Means what you will do? Market price minus selling price you have to do. Means 9600 minus 8448 rupees. After doing the subtraction of these both, what the answer will get? Rupees 1152 rupees is reduced. Now finally we find out that the discount. Now what we'll do? We have to find the rate of discount. Rate of discount means what? It goes to discount percent. Rate of discount. Rate of discount is equals to what? Discount percent. Discount percent means formula what? What is the formula of discount percent? Discount by market price into 100. It is the formula. Now substitute this in the formula. Discount how much we got here? Discount how much we got here? 1152 rupees. 1152 rupees by market price. How much it is given here? The actual market price is rupees 9600 into 100. After doing the cancellation, what the answer will get? How much you will get? By doing all this cancellation, the rate of discount how much you will get? 12%. Rate of discount is 12%. Finally he told to find the rate of discount. Means how much we got the final answer? 12% is the rate of discount. See, whenever in the question market price is given, selling price is given and told to find the rate of discount, means first before finding the rate of discount we have to find discount. How much discount? Means how much how much price is reduced, means how can we know? By doing the subtraction of market price minus selling price. By subtracting this, the answer which will come, it will be the discount. And then after, what we will do? Rate of discount is equals to discount percent, means discount percent formula. What is the discount percent formula? Discount by market price into 100. It is the formula. By substituting the discount and market price, we finally will get the answer. What is the final answer we got here? 12%. Okay. We solve the next question. Okay. What is the next question is given here? After allowing a discount of 8%, discount is already given how much? 8% on a book. It is sold for a rupees, how much? Rupees 828. Sold means what? Selling price. Selling price is how much? 828. Discount is given here 8% and selling price is also given here 828 rupees. And finally, what he told to find out? Find the market price of a book. We have to find the market price. Okay, what is given in the question? First you will write here. Selling price of a book is how much? Rupees 828. And discount, how much it is given here? Discount is equals to 8% is given. And finally, what he told to find out? It is given directly in the question to find the market price. Market price MP is equals to, in previous class we discussed the formulas. Market price formula, what is the formula? Selling price into 100 by 100 minus discount percent. Discount percent you have to do it. Selling price, how much it is given here? 800 rupees, 828. 828 into 100 by 100 minus discount percent, how much it is given here? 8. 100 minus 8. Okay. After solving this, what the answer will get? Let's see what the answer will get here. 828 by 100 minus 8, how much? By subtracting this, how much will get the answer? 92. By doing the cancellation of these all, what the final answer will get? Rupees, how much the answer will get? Rupees 900. Rupees 900. This is the final answer. It is the market price. Means finally we got the market price of a book. What is the market price of a book? Market price of a book is equals to, how much the answer we got? Rupees 900. This is the final answer. Whenever a question is given here, first you observe that what is given in the question. First you will write, whenever you will write the answer, first you will write what is given in the question. First you have to write, and what are the formulas are to be used, you will write in the side of the answer, so that you can get extra marks. Okay, solve the next question. Okay, what is the next question is given here? The market price of a TV is this much. Market price means MP. Market price of TV is this one. Market price is already directly given in the question. After allowing a 20% discount is also given here. How much discount? Discount is 20%. 20% discount is also given in the question. Then 20% divided discount to the customer. A shopkeeper still makes a profit of Profit is also given. Profit of how much? 30%. Find the cost price of TV. Okay. First, what is given? First, market price of the TV is this one. At the Diwali discount, he sold the TV for how much? How much discount? 20% of discount. After selling the TV of at the rate of 20% discount, then after also shopkeeper got the profit of how much? 30%. After selling at the discount also, he got the profit of 30%. Then what he told to find out? We have to find the cost price of TV. Cost price we have to find out. Okay. First we will write what is given in the question. Let's see. Market price of TV is equals to how much? Rupees 32,500. Okay, discount how much is given? Discount is equals to how much? 20%. Discount is given. Okay, directly discount is given, market price is given. You can find directly the discount by using the discount formula. Discount formula is, what is the discount formula? Discount by market price into 100. Discount how much is given? 20 by market price how much? 32,500 into 100. By doing the cancellation, what the answer I will get? Rupees 6,500. Rupees 6,500 will get the final answer. Discount how much you got? Rupees 6,500. Now we have to find the selling price of TV. Selling price, what is the selling price formula? Market price minus discount. It is a formula. Market price, how much it is given? 32,500. Rupees 32,500 minus discount, how much you got? 6,500. By doing the subtraction, what the answer will get? Final answer will get rupees 26,000. Okay, we already find the discount and selling price of TV. Now, what he told in the question, after selling at the rate of discount of 20%, he got the profit of how much rupees? How much? 30% profit he got. Profit is how much it is given here in the question? Profit he got of 30%. And finally, what he told to find out cost price of TV. Cost price is the cost price formula. What in profit? Cost price formula. Cost price formula is cost price is equals to 100 into selling price by 100. In profit what? In profit 100 into selling price by 100 plus profit percent. In loss, minus loss will come here. In cost price it told to find out means 100 into selling price by 100 minus loss percent. If it tells to find the loss percent, minus loss will put here. Okay, substitute in the formula. 100 into selling price, how much you got here? 26,000. 26,000 by 100 plus profit. How much profit he got after selling at the rate of discount of 20%? He got 30% profit. 30. After doing the cancellation of these all, what the final answer will get? Rupees 20,000. We find out the cost price. Cost price of a TV is equals to how much? Rupees 20,000. Once again I am explaining. See, market price is given, we wrote the market price, discount is also given. Before finding the selling price of TV, why you have to find the selling price? Why he did not told to find the selling price now? Why you may get it out in your mind? Why are you finding the selling price here? Means, see, before finding the cost price, what is the cost price formula? 100 into selling price by 100 plus profit percent. Here this selling price is given here. Selling price, if here it is given, then we have to find the selling price also. Now before finding the selling price only, then you can substitute the answer in the given formula. Selling price means, what is the formula? Market price minus discount. Market price is given here, discount is also we find out. By doing the subtraction, what the answer will get? Rupees 26,000. And after selling at the rate of the discount of 20%, the shopkeeper still gets the profit of how much? 30% he got. Then cost price he told to find out. Cost price formula, what is the formula for profit? Cost price is equals to 100 into selling price by 100 plus profit percent. 100 into selling price, how much? What the answer we got here? 26,000 by 100 plus profit. What is given in the question? 30%. By adding these both, what the answer we got? 130. By doing all this cancellation, what the answer we got? Rupees 20,000. It is the cost price of a TB. Okay. Solve the next question. Okay, what is the next question is given here? A dealer allows a discount of 16%. Discount how much? 16% to his customers and still gain 5%. Gain means what? Profit. Profit how much he got? 5%. Profit of 5%. Then find the market price of table. Market price means MP. You have to find the MP. Market price of the table which costs him rupees 1,200. Cost price how much costs him means how what? Cost price is how much? Cost price of a table is how much? Rupees 1,200. Okay. Now let's solve the question. What is given in the question? First you have to write out cost price of table. Cost price of table is equals to how much it is given in the question? Is equals to rupees 1,200. Cost price. And profit how much is given? Profit percent is equals to 5%. 5%. Profit is 5%. Now what we'll do? Profit you have to find out. Profit is equals to, what is the profit formula? Profit by 100 into cost price. Okay, substitute this in the formula. Profit how much? 5 by 100 into cost price. How much it is given here? Rupees 1,200. By doing the cancellation, what the profit you will get finally? Rupees 60. Okay, we found out the profit. Now what we will do? What we have to find out? We have to find the selling price of a table. Selling price of a table means what? What is the formula? Selling price of table you have to find out. Selling price is equals to cost price plus profit. Cost price how much it is given here? 1,200 plus profit. What is given? Profit how much you got here? 60. By adding these both, what the answer will get? Rupees 1,260 rupees. This is the selling price we got out. Profit we find out. Selling price we also find out. Now how much discount he got? How much discount he sold that table? Discount of 16%. Discount formula what? Discount of 16% he sold it. Then what he told to find out? You have to find the market price. Market price formula what? market price is equals to selling price into 100 by 100 minus discount percent. Substitute this. Selling price, how much you got? 1260 into 100 by 100 minus discount, how much? Discount how much? 16. By subtracting 100 minus 16, what the answer will get? 84. After doing all this cancellation, what the answer will get? Final answer rupees 1500. This is the actual market price. He told to find the market price. Market price is equal to this one. Whenever it is given in the question to find the market price, you must get an idea that what is the market price formula. Market price formula what? Selling price into 100 and 100 minus discount percent. Selling price is not given, means we have to find the selling price. Okay, we already found the selling price. Before finding the selling price, what is the selling price formula? Cost price plus profit. Profit is not given, cost price is given, means profit also you have to find out. Profit how much you got? This one we will get rupees 60 we got. After finding the profit, what he find out? Selling price we find out. Of selling price of a table, what is the formula? Cost price plus profit. Cost price is given this much and profit how much you got? The answer rupees 60. Adding these both, what the answer you got finally? Rupees 1260. Discount is given. Now we can easily find the market price. You must get an idea that whenever he told to find the market price or something or else, based upon that we have to find profit or discount or selling price, we have to find out based upon that formula. Okay, let's solve the next question. Okay, what is the next question is given here? A shopkeeper allows 25% discount. A shopkeeper allows 25% discount on the market price of sari and still makes a profit of 20%. First he gave the discount of how much? 25%. First he gave discount of 25%. Okay, and the market price of sari. Market price means MP. Market price of sari, and still after giving the rate of discount of 25%, a shopkeeper gets the profit of how much? 20%. If he gains this much rupees 225 over the sale of one sari, if one sari's sale, if he gains this much rupees, then we have to find the market price of sari. Okay, here we have to find the market price of sari. Market price is not given here. Then what we will do? Let the market price of sari, let we think as rupees 100. Okay, discount how much it is given? Discount is equals to how much? 25%. Discount is given, market price is given. Now what do we have to do? Discount is equals to discount by market price into 100. Discount how much it is given? 25 by market price how much you took? 100 into 100. By doing the cancellation, what we will get? Rupees 25 for one sari each. Market price of one sari. Market price of one sari, how much you got? Let the market price of one sari, how much we took here? Rupees 100 we thought. Discount is this one, it is given. Then what is the discount? What is the discount formula? Discount by market price into 100. By solving it, what the answer we got? Rupees 25. Now what we have to do? discount to find out, we have to find the selling price of one saree. Selling price of one saree is equals to how much? Market price minus discount. Market price how much we took here? 100 minus discount how much we got? 25. Means after subtracting this both, what the answer will get? Rupees 75. Rupees 75 will get. Selling price of one saree we find out. Selling price of one saree is how much? The answer we got here? Rupees 75 we find out. Now what we have to do? We have what is given in the question. First you observe, after selling the saree, then at a discount of 25% discount, then he got the profit of how much? Profit is how much? Profit is equals to how much? 20%. 20% profit he got. Then what you have to do? Cost price of saree, selling price we found out. Cost price of one saree you have to find out. Cost price of one saree is equals to how much? What is the formula? Cost price of one saree. Cost price formula is selling price into 100 by 100 plus profit. Profit is given here, so you have to do 100 plus profit percent. Selling price, what is the answer we got here? 75 into 100 by 100 plus profit, what is given in the question? 20. Okay, 75 into 100 by 120. After doing the cancellation of these all, what the answer will get? Cost price. Rupees 62.50. Rupees 62.50. It is the cost price we find out. Cost price of a one saree is how much? Rupees 62.50. Okay, cost price we find out, selling price we find out. Now what we will do? Gain we have to find out. Gain, he told he got the gain. Profit means what? Gain. Gain means what is the formula? Gain is equals to selling price minus cost price. Selling price how much? 675 minus cost price how much you got here? 62.50. By subtracting these both, 75 minus 62.50, what the answer will get? 12.50. 12.50. Now what we'll do? What we got? The how much gain we got? Gain of rupees 12.50 we got. Now we have to, what we have to do? Gain is rupees this much. Then market price what will be? Rupees 100. Gain is rupees 12.50. Then market price is equals to rupees 100. Then what we have to do? We have to find the gain. How much gain we got here? Rupees 1. Then market price what we will do? Let's find the market price. Gain of rupees 1. Gain of rupees 1. Then market price is equals to how much? 100 by 100 is there. Then this one will be come this side, means what will be happen? 100 by 12.50. 100 by 12.50. You can, okay. Then after that, what we will do? If the gain, if what we told here, if the gain is this much, gain is how much? Rupees. It is given in the question. Gain is, if gain is this much, rupees 225 rupees, then then market price will be how much? Market price will be how much you have to find out? Market price is equals to 100 by 12.5 into 225. 100 by 12.5 into 225. Now solve it. 100 into 225 into 10 by 125. How 10 here it is came? You may get the doubt. It is in the point, in the decimal form. When we remove the decimal, means how much? After decimal, how many numbers are there? One number, means 10 means what? 10. After removing it, we did into 10. 100 into 225 into 10 by 125. Then by doing the cancellation of these all, how much answer will get? Rupees 1800. Rupees 1800. This is the market price of saree. This is the actual market price of the saree. Okay, let's meet in the next class.